Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making sure you have edit or full control. Without that, you can't publish. Once confirmed, open your Sharepoint site and click New, then choose News Post. Start with a clear title and select a template and cover image. This sets visual hierarchy and increases click-through. After that, add your first web part block because structuring early makes editing faster. Make sure to save a draft as you go. This prevents accidental loss while you compose the main content. Now you add the meat. Insert text web parts for paragraphs, image or media for visual context, and hero for top-level emphasis. This improves scalability. Once done, use sections and columns to balance layout across devices. Responsive behavior matters for mobile readers. Make sure to tag people in pages and insert links or files to boost utility and internal discoverability. Use headings and short paragraphs so readers skim. When you finish, click Post News to publish. This pushes it to the site and recent news web parts. Once published, promote the item by sharing to Teams, Yammer, or email so your audience sees it. You can also pin it to the homepage or feature it in a hub. If readers don't see the post, check permissions first, then clear browser cache and verify search indexing. Fix the issue and republish. Finally, monitor analytics to learn what works and iterate on future posts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.